On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So, all what you have to do guys is open the settings on your phone, open the apps, go to the apps like this, and now click on the WhatsApp right here. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Click on WhatsApp. This is the app informations page. As you can see, all what you have to do on this page is very easy. Click on the first stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear cache, go back again, click on the power usage details, and then go to the power consumption alert, disable it, and then enable it again. Now go down here and click on this force stop to stop running the app, and last thing you want to do is reopen WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe.